Watch.
What? You took off. Just throw them down there.
Hey.
Whoa.
Camp robbers, man. Hey, you have nice catch, dude. Falls right in his mouth. Fall down the mountain. Here. Hurry up. There you go. Feels.
Hold it out. They're gonna get it.
Camp robbers are gonna get it first.
Oh, he's beautiful. Just beautiful.
I want to feed the blue jay, but those little camp robbers, man, they just
Yeah.
grab it every time.
But the birds are gorgeous.
There they are.
Yeah, they're pretty.
Aren't they?
They sure are.
Those blue jays.
Oh.
I want to feed one of these guys. Here, hurry up, dude.
Oh, the other one came. Oscar, look at the blue jays here. Oscar. Look at the blue jays. He's beautiful.
I don't want to get it. I don't know what's the matter with you. That blue jay gets it. That one's not brave enough.
Now the clouds are coming in and the rain's coming in.
Okay.
So
You can grab your fingers.
Those are gray jays. Gray jays?
those guys,
And the
well,
others
that
are
blue jay is
stellars.
gorgeous. There it goes. Oh, another one came.
There's a little one.
Dangerous, sheer cliff, I'd say.
Camp robbers, man, they just on you. Get away. Pig.
Gray shade.
Uh-huh.
Gray jay. This big one.
You ain't enough already.
Which one is
There's more than enough.
This is a junco down here.
This is a junco.
Where that little one went.
He's down here somewhere.
They don't look the same.
He's right over there.
Oh,
Big old mean old bird.
oh, look at what's got yellow on it.
That baby in there.
Be interesting to see what I got on that picture. A bunch of wings, I think.
Beautiful birds.
Mm-hmm.